Hi children, how are you all? Let us learn Jula poem. First, say me children, what is Jula? Jula is swing. What is Jula? Jula is swing. We basically go to park and all to swing, right children? Yes. Let us get into our lesson. Before explaining the lesson, I will read out the poem once. Okay? Listen it properly. झूला अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा, इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं छू लूंगा। झूला झूल रही है डाली, झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है, चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता। झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम, उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल। Okay children, now I'll explain you the lesson. Amma aaj लगा दे झूला means Mommy, please tie a swing for me today. A child is asking. इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा. He's saying that he'll swing on that swing. Amma, you tie a swing today. I will swing on it. इस पर चढ़कर I'll sit on it. ऊपर बढ़कर I'll go so high. आसमान को मैं छू लूँगा. I'll go so high such that I'll touch the sky. I will sit on that swing and go so high such that I touch the sky. झूला झूल रही है डाली. Now the child is saying, now the swing is not only swinging me, it is also swinging the branches. झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, पत्ता पत्ता are leaves. What are swinging now? Even the leaves are also swinging. Swing is also swinging the branches. Leaves are also swinging with us. इस झूले पर बड़ा मजा है. We get very happy while swinging, right children? The child is also saying the same thing. इस झूले पर on that swing बड़ा मजा है. I'll be very happy. चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता. Now the child is saying that he feels like as if he have gone to Delhi or Kolkata. And you people, where do you go while swinging? You reach your favorite places. Yes? On this swing, I enjoy more. Swinging, swinging, I reach Delhi or Calcutta or any place I want. झूल रही नीचे की धरती. Even the land below me is also swinging, Mom. उड़ चल means flying off in the sky. Mommy, land below me is also swinging. I'm flying off into sky. बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम. The child is saying that he swings from that side to this side na. He's saying that he's expressing his feel using the word rimjim rimjim. उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल. He's saying that swinging swinging he reached the sky and he feel like as if he is in between clouds flying there. I swing up and down, rimjim rimjim. I go into the sky and fly in between the clouds. Expressing all his feelings, the child asked his mother, Amma, please tie a swing for me today. I want to swing. And surely listening to all the words of child, surely his mother might have tied the swing for him and the child might have enjoyed his swing ride.